Benefits of a Halo, they are a whole house filtration system. So clean, drinkable water through the whole house, every faucet, every fixture. It's going to remove 85 to 95% of contaminants in your water, chlorine, chloramines. I think it's great because traditional softeners, they will remove those hard water spots, but they're not really providing that clean, drinkable water. There's a lot of people out there who buy bottled waters because they don't like the taste of their tap water. They want to remove those contaminants. With a Halo, you get that through the whole house, every faucet, every fixture. The benefit for a plumbing contractor to purchase a Halo unit over other brands that are out there is that it's only sold to plumbing distributors, plumbing wholesale shops. So they're not competing with a homeowner who's going to Amazon or Lowe's or Home Depot to buy maybe a little bit cheaper product, a more affordable product. But Halo is a high-end product, and they believe in the professional trades. They believe to only work with a plumbing contractor. You can be a filtration system or you can buy a filtration system.